Hey, it's Dan. Welcome to the Lion's Den, where we talk about gematria and how our reality has been scripted and continues to be scripted. So I decided to look at the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, and it's called a number of different things. Let's look at the date first. It happened on December 26th, 2004. It's got a very interesting date numerology. 38, number of death, 42, 44, and 17, a kill number, both of them. So that's how I got the 17, adding 1 and 2, and 2 and 6, and 2 and 4. Earthquake equals 44, just like the date. It also equals 107, kind of like 17, 91, and 163, which is the 38th prime number. It's called the Boxing Day Tsunami, which has gematria of 96. It happened off of the coast of Sumatra, which equals 96. Boxing Day was a perfect time for a tsunami. Boxing Day 47, tsunami 47. 47, that foundational number. The hardest hit region was that of Akka. Maybe you call it Akka. There's that 17 again. 91 again. 46, number of sacrifice. And also, it was a 9.1 earthquake. Indonesia equals 153, which is the 17th triangular number. So it was 9.1 on the scale, third strongest quake ever recorded. 9.1 or 91. It hit Asia or Akka, 91. Earthquake equals 91. 91, the 13th triangular number. Interesting thing, it happened in the Ring of Fire. Ring of Fire 107, just like earthquake. Just like 17, the date that it happened. And it also equals 163, the 38th prime. So it was a perfect day for the Ring of Fire to do something. And it did. Date numerology of 38. Death equals 38. Also, many people drowned, and drowned equals 38. So it happened on Boxing Day. Boxing Day equals 101, the 26th prime. It happened on the 26th of December. Quake equals 26, also equals 19, or 9.1, or 91. 9.1 on the Richter scale. Tidal waves, which what happened shortly thereafter, equals 44. Floods equals 28 and 91. Kind of like earthquake. Kind of like 9.1. There we go. Flooding equals 46. There's lots of flooding. And Aceh equals 91. I keep pronouncing it different every time. So they're calling it different things, and they called it also the Indonesian tsunami, which has numbers of Saturn, 93 and 201, or 21, and 123, which is conspiracy. They also call it the South Asian tsunami, which equals 118, and in Jewish gematria, that is death. Death equals 118. I also call it the Christmas tsunami, even though it happened after Christmas. And that equals 90 and 117. If you write out 13, it equals 90 and 117. And 91 is the 13th triangular number. Now the scientific community, which equals 95 and 104, calls it the Sumatra Andaman earthquake, which equals 95 and 104. How perfect. There are 13 types of earthquakes. This one was a megathrust, where the two plates go under each other. And these are the most vicious earthquakes. And look at these vicious numbers. 42, number of Freemasonry. 84, number of the Jesuits and also Masonry. 51, number of conspiracy. There was lots of talk in the alternative press about maybe some bombs going off in the deep waters under Sumatra, near Sumatra. Who knows? Well, according to CNN, 227,898 people dead or missing. That was as of 2017. 227, that number of pi. If you divide 2 by 27, you get 3.14, so circles and cycles. Here's the estimate, roughly, from Wikipedia. 230,000 to 280,000 dead or missing. Dead or missing equals 102. The Boxing Day Tsunami equals 102. So I want to look at Wikipedia again because it's fun to look at what they say here. Let's take a look here. So the depth of the earthquake was 30 kilometers, or 19 miles, or 91, or that number that we've seen, 9.1. 30 is a number of Saturn. It was a megathrust, as I mentioned before. Here were the numbers, a lot of these countries affected by it. Total damage, $19.9 billion. Well, 199 is the 46th prime number, which is a number of sacrifice. Also a number of flooding. Interesting. So yeah, earthquake and tsunami in Indonesia. There's 13. 13 equals 90. The Boxing Day, so if you say the Boxing Day tsunami, it's 96. And then Saturn with a triangular number of 21, 231. It's also a Freemason number. And dead and missing. So thank you so much for watching.